Alright y'all, what's up? Levi here, RCT&D. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm out here with my DJI Mavic Mini. It's you can't really hear any wind, but it is really windy up there, and we're gonna do a return to home test in high winds. So pretty soon there will be some wind gusts coming in, and up there it is actually pretty windy. So without further ado, let's try this already.
Take off. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
So here we go. Over here is all the trees over there. The sun's trying to come out a little bit up there. Let's go up to like 400 feet and we'll go way out. We'll go like out to over here, real far away, and we'll go yeah, the sun just came out. So distance, we are 500 feet away over a lake. Let's oh yeah, see, there we go. There's our strong wind warning. So if we go up a little bit higher, go ahead and turn that off.
Maximum
right, so there we
flight
go.
altitude
we are
reached.
at maximum altitude. Still have a pretty strong wind. The wind is pretty high up there. Yeah, sun came out. Let's go ahead and return to home. You'll hear our annoying beep.
Go home.
But let's go. And I'm also right under a tree as well. So we'll adjust the camera a little bit. So it looks like it's coming home pretty good. It's still got a strong wind warning. And so far, so good. You can see all the trees down over here. You can see me. Tiny dot. Looks like it's doing pretty good. That beeping is incredibly annoying. But here we go, coming down.
Landing.
Nope, now it's landing. Yep, so now the numbers are counting down. No longer a wind warning. So it was able to bring itself back, and that's against the wind too. So it was able to bring itself back. It looks like it's going to land on the tree there. Might have to adjust that a little bit. That's fine. It's actually doing quite good. I'm actually pretty close to this apple tree right here. But it looks like it's coming down. Pretty good. I don't think it's going to be spot on, but it looks like it's going off to the left a little bit there. And it's coming down for a landing. Not exactly on the pad, but that's fine. So there you go. Landed pretty close, good enough. And it's in. And it's landed, so there you go. And it's actually pretty windy up there. We were getting a high wind warning, but yeah. So there you go. Just wanted to show you guys that for a little. Just wanted to show you guys that that you can that the return to home does work in the wind, and we are actually flying against the wind. So it was actually coming home against the wind because the wind was blowing that way and the drone was going that way. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed that short little video, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you all in another video. Bye.